The slang term Skibidi, popular among Gen Alpha and Gen Z, is a humorous, nonsensical word used as a filler that can imply cool, dumb, or bad, often found in meme culture. It gained traction from the viral animated YouTube series Skibidi Toilet, which features a bizarre storyline of toilets with human heads and characters with cameras and TVs for heads, and has amassed millions of views since its debut in February 2023. The term originates from the chorus of Bizer King's song, Dom Dom Yes Yes, popularized on TikTok. While the series is entertaining, it may not be suitable for very young children due to its dystopian themes and mild violence, prompting some parents to express concerns about its impact, dubbed Skibidi Toilet Syndrome. Additionally, Skibidi is often used alongside other slang like Riz, charisma, and Ohio, describing something bad or weird.